Good afternoon, everyone. This is Rob. I'm with Next Truck Sales, and I want to introduce you to our 1988 Ford Mustang GT. This features a body kit. It has Cobra wheels, or 3 Cobra wheels, a 5-speed manual transmission, and a 5-liter V8. So I'll take you through the car, I'll get it running, let you have a listen. I've had a lot of people with questions about corrosion, so I'll show you everything I can find on this car. And if you have any questions, you can feel free to give me a call. My number is area code 289-259-6054. So let's have a look here. If you take a look, obviously 1988, this car is what, 35 years old. You're going to see it's been repainted. We do have a little bit of peeling going on. I'm not sure if this is primer color or if that's the original color, because as I look on the inside of one of the doors here, I see white, so this car may have had a color change. I'll come back to the inside in a minute. I'll just take you through the panels. So we've got some plastic side moldings here. Looks like that used to be blue. Some of the material is, the paint is peeling, but overall the paint that is still attached is in good shape. You can see it's got a reasonable amount of shine to it, but there are spots here where you can see the paint has been peeling. And overall, I think you can get away with driving it that way. It's certainly not going to go in a car show, but it doesn't look bad. The corrosion is extremely minimal. So I'll take you through. We'll get a look at basically all the body damage that I can find, and then we'll go looking for rust. But I really don't see any here. If you look on the fenders, there's no bubbling. Okay, and you can see here a little bit of peeling, a little bit of scuffs. This is a plastic bumper. You can see some of the original color of the plastic coming through the bumper here. I'll get that hood up in a minute. We'll take a look underneath. Okay, again, it's in decent shape as far as the cleanliness of the paint that's on there. No rust to speak of. A little stone chip there, a little bit of peeling. Again, those moldings have been painted. Some of that paint is peeling off there. So really, if you wanted this car to be perfect, you'd have to repaint the whole thing. You'd probably have to replace some of the moldings. If you look at that, the plastic is just deforming from age. We've got some corrosion going on here on the door pillar. We do have some surface corrosion there on next to the sunroof, and that's really the only spot of rust I can find on it. You can see the weather cracking on the rubber. Okay, fender wells clean, no rust. I do see a little bit of a run in the clear. I'll look inside. It looks like it's been, yeah, this thing looks like it's had the color change. It was white at one point. I do see evidence of having undercoating applied. Okay, a little bit of chipping, peeling. Okay, so I've had a lot of people ask me about shock towers and corrosion under the hood. So I'm gonna pop this up and we'll get a look at it. Just bear with me one moment. This is an aftermarket hood. It's super light. Let's see.